In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fillable PDF forms in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your document, switch into form editing, add text fields, align everything neatly, and save or share your fillable PDF with confidence. First, open your document. Head to the DocHub website in your browser, then upload or open the PDF you want to make fillable. Give it a moment to load. If you already have the file in your DocHub account, select it from your recent documents. Once it appears on your screen, you're ready to turn it into an interactive form. Next, switch to form editing mode. Look at the top toolbar and find the option labeled Fields or Form Fields. In some versions, you might see Prepare Form. Click that to enter the Form Builder interface. You'll notice a panel of field types appear. This is where you'll choose the kinds of inputs people can interact with. For this walkthrough, we're focusing on the text field, since it's the most common way to collect typed responses. Now add your form fields. Click Text Field, then click anywhere on the page where you want someone to type, such as near labels like name, address, or comments. A box will appear that you can drag into the perfect spot. Use the handles on the corners to resize so it fits your layout and matches the space available. Repeat this process for each area of the form that needs an answer. Take your time placing fields so they line up with your existing labels. After you've added your fields, format and align them so everything looks clean and professional. Select multiple fields at once, then use the Align tools to line them up left, right, or center. To keep consistent spacing, use Distribute vertically or horizontally. If you have repeating rows, like in a table or a list, use Duplicate to quickly create exact copies and maintain uniform sizing and spacing. Consistency here makes your form easier to read and complete. When you're finished, save or share the fillable PDF. To export a file that retains the interactive fields, go to File, choose Download, and select PDF with Fields. If you want others to complete it online without downloading, click Share and enable Allow to sign or fill fields. That way recipients can fill it right in their browser. And that's all you need to create a clean, fillable PDF in DocHub.